How to update PHP version in WordPress. Now to do this, just go to your website's host. The host I'm using here is cPanel. I'll log into your account. Now from here you want to search tools and type in PHP and find multi-PHP manager under software. So let's click this. Here we can see that from PHP 5.4 to 7.4 they're deprecated. So we should update to something newer. So here I'm just gonna search for the latest one, which is PHP 8.1. I'm gonna select my domain and then I'm gonna click apply. And there you go, successfully applied PHP version 8.1. You can do this exact same thing from your host. If your host is WordPress themselves, if you paid for a plan, they're gonna update it automatically. And if you use a separate host like cPanel right here, you're gonna have to update the PHP from that host. In my case, this was cPanel. And that's how to update your PHP version in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.